about that again.
Yes. Oh no, we are going to go first. Where you will go? Hold the wall, okay? And kick. And I count for you to 10, okay? Count 1, 2, 3 and blow a ball from your nose and head up. Are you ready? Go. Kick, come on. 1, 2, 3, head up. No, your head up. Head up, only your head up, okay? Not your shoulder, okay? Again. Kick. Okay, 1. Blow a ball from your nose. Blow a ball from your nose, okay? 1, 2, 3. Blow a ball from your nose. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. High five. Yay.